The typewriter arrived on Alice's doorstep at dusk, shrouded in brown paper and tied with a crimson ribbon. There was no note, only her name stamped on the label. She placed it on her desk, curiosity outweighing caution. Its keys gleamed, inviting. When she pressed the first letter, it clacked with unnatural sharpness. She began to type. Alice sits alone, the shadows growing longer. As the words appeared, the room's light dimmed, shadows stretching across the floor. Her pulse quickened. She typed again. Testing. A cold wind rattles the window. Instantly, the glass trembled, icy air swirling around her ankles. Heart hammering, she realized the machine was writing her world. She tried to stop, but her fingers moved on their own, pounding out. The door creaks open. Something waits, unseen. The door groaned. The darkness beyond thickened, pulsing with life. Desperate, Alice typed, "Alice escapes." But the carriage jammed, refusing her command. The final line etched itself. She vanishes, never to be found. The chair spun, the room emptied. Only the typewriter remained, waiting for its next story.